Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong problem coming from integral calculus na tinanong ng isa sa mga subscribers natin. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Christopher Jason Subang at saka sa mga taga Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, Mid La Union Campus, BS EE. So first year sila mga Lodi from 1-E. So ito yung problem. Evaluate the integral of y to the 5th dy all over the 6th root of y³ + 2. So, ang first glance or ang first thinking natin dyan, especially those taking integral calculus, is titignan natin ano po ba yung complicated na expression or yun nga, na term dun sa mismong ano natin given. So, dito mapapansin nyo, ito may 6th root. So, ang ililet natin dito, ang algebraic representation natin dito is yung may complicated, which is itong nasa ilalim. So, ililet yun natin yung y³ + 2. Kasi siya yung nasa loob mga Lodi Cakes. So ano next dyan, Sir IJ? Differentiate natin. So we have du equals 3y² dy. Kaya lang, kung mapapansin nyo mga idol, if you will have to notice, if you can notice mga Lodi Cakes, y² to, Sir IJ, this is y to the 5th. How do we do that? Or how do we deal with those stuff or that expression? So ang gagawin natin, we will separate y to the 5th or we will express y to the 5th as a product of y² and y³. So the entire integral can become y³ multiplied by y² dy all over the 6th root of y³ + 2. Okay? So, ganun na yung mangyayari, guys. That will happen. So, y³ times y² dy all over the 6th root of y³ + 2. So, what's next ba? What's next, Sir IJ? So, ang gagawin natin, ganito na. Ito na siya, di ba? Itong y² dy, pwede natin itong kunin dito. So, di ba we have du equals 3y² dy. So, if we will express it in terms of y² dy alone, we just multiply both sides of the equation by 1/3, and that becomes 1/3 du equals y² dy. So ano na mangyayari, Sir IJ? Itong y² dy, obviously that is equal to 1/3 du. Ito naman, magiging 6th root siya ng u kasi yung u natin yung nasa loob. Paano yung y³, sir? So yung y³ natin, that will come from our first representation. So notice that u equals y³ + 2. So for the right side, so u equals y³ + 2. So we'll just get the y³ term only. So y³ equals u minus 2. Nilipat lang ni Sir IJ. So sana gets nyo pa mga loading eggs ha. If may questions kayo, pwede naman kayo mag-comment sa comment section sa ang parte. You can mention yung pinaka-time, ano niya, yung anong time kayo may question. So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? The integral of, ang y³ natin is u minus 2 po, Sir IJ, multiplied by y² dy, that is 1/3 du all over the 6th root of u. So that is 6th root of u, or you can express that as u raised to 1 over 6. Pwede nating ilabas si 1/3, that is constant. Applying the constant rule of integration. So that will be the 1/3 multiplied by the integral of u over u raised to 1 over 6. So separate na po ni Sir IJ, minus 2 over u raised to 1 over 6 du. Guys, sana po nakasunod ha. Sana nakasunod ka, idol. Sineparate lang ni Sir IJ. Dinivide ko to, and then simplify lang po applying the quotient property of exponents. So we have 1/3. The integral of u divide u raised to 1 over 6. So this is 1. Pag nadi-divide, nagmo-minus tayo ng exponents. 1 minus 1 over 6, that is 5 over 6. For this case, mga Lodi Cakes, we can express this as a negative exponent. Minus 2 u raised to negative 1 over 6 du. Okay? If gusto nyo i-separate, walang problema mga Lodi. Pwede nyo namang i-combine agad. Multiply mo by 1/3. So that will be pero ang gagawin ni Sir IJ, integrate na lang muna natin yung nasa loob and then multiply na lang natin after by 1/3. Ano yung integral ng u raised to 5 over 6? That is by integration of powers. So we will just add 1 to the exponent all over 5 over 6 plus 1 minus 2 u raised to negative 1 over 6 plus 1 all over negative 1 over 6 plus 1. Okay? Basta wag lang kalimutan yung plus c, mortal sin yun guys. So we have 1/3. Kapag sinimplify natin to, 5 over 6 plus 1, that is 11 over 6. Itong ilalim natin, 11 over 6 or ij. Minus 2, u raised to negative 1, 6 plus 1. Okay, that's correct, idol. 5 over 6 divided by 5 over 6. Okay, that's yung plusin natin dito. Simplify natin. Itong 11 over 6, kapag inangat natin, that is 6 over 11. Kaya lang multiplied by 1/3. 6 divide 3. Okay, that's correct. It will become, lagyan natin dito mga idol, 2 over 11 u raised to 11 over 6. Minus, itong 2 kapag dinivide ng 5 over 6, that will be flipped up 2 times 6 over 5. 12 over 5. Kaya lang may 3 ka sa labas, 1/3. 12 divide 3, that is 4. So 4 over 5, u raised to 5 over 6, mga Lodi Gigs, plus c. And just don't forget to bring back yung value ng u natin, which is y³ plus 2. So kung yung sagot nyo ganito, okay lang. Minsan kasi masyadong maselan lang yung mga prof na gustong ipasimplify pa. Pero if your answer is like this, kung ako yung professor nyo, I will consider it. So that is 2 over 11 y³ plus 2 raised to 11 over 6 minus 4 over 5 u raised to, u is 11, so y³ plus 2 raised to 5 over 6 plus c. Sa mga gustong malaman paano i-simplify pa yan, pwede mong i-factor out yung y³ plus 2 raised to 5 over 6, tapos simplify mo pa. Pero kung ako tatanungin, okay na yan mga Lodi Gigs. Medyo maselan lang talaga yung ibang prof na gusto super simplify. Pero guys, sana naintindihan nyo yung process natin, ha? So, ganun lang siya. Ile-let you natin yung pinaka-complicated din sa expression natin. And I hope, if nagets nyo naman, if may questions kayo or clarifications, huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment sa comment section. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. I hope you'll learn more from Sir IJ. And thank you so much. Congrats din sa mga bagong LPT natin and mabuhay kayong lahat. Bye-bye!